Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I invite you all to sit back, relax, and enjoy as I teach you all how to maintain a trombone. The trombone is a sacred instrument, being honored around the world as a god in at least 17 African countries. As such, before you begin maintenance on your instrument, it is important to pray to the trombone deity, Sir Jack Inhofe. Once you finish praying, get back to your trombone. Then, grab your lube. Start by taking off the slide from the trombone. Then you open your lube and put some on your hands. Start by putting some of the lube on the silver parts of the slide near the tip. Make sure there isn't too much lube, otherwise it will stick. Once the lube is equally lathered on both prongs, take the slide and do long, slow, dramatic, full strokes up and down the slide. After a few seconds of stroking, you should notice it's a lot easier to move the trombone slide. Now you're ready to get all the woodwinds. Go get 'em, Tiger! We'll check back on him in a few days.